Hello and welcome. This is Amaka Ifebnando, the Excel coach, and in today's training, I'll be showing you how to use the text Excel function to get the weekday of a date. Now, in the last lesson, I showed you how the weekday Excel function works and how to use it to extract the serial number of a date. And as you can see, we're able to extract the serial number of this date using this different return type. So what the weekday function does is that it returns the serial number. But in today's training, we'll be looking at how to return the weekday of that date. So let's go right into it. So we'll be using the text function to return the weekday of this date. So I'll just clean this and we'll input the formula together. So the text function is an Excel function that converts numeric value to text and displays it in a specified format. And here is the syntax. It has two arguments. The first is the value argument, meaning that it can be a number or a date. And the format you want that number to be displayed, right? So this function is used when you want to display a number in a certain format. So we'll be using the text function to display these dates in this format, right? So let's go right into it. And to enter our formula, we'll start with the equal to sign. Text function. Now, this date is our value. And what format do we want it? We want it in this format. And this format, you have to put it in double quotation because it's a text format. D in 4 places. The D in 4 places means I want it to return Monday if it is Monday, Tuesday if it is Tuesday, right? So let's see what, good. So it's telling us that this date falls on Thursday. This date falls on Thursday, right? So let's try this again, the text function. And we want to check this date. Then what's the format? We'll be using the same day but in 3 places now. So let's see what it returns. Good. Now this is Sunday but not fully not fully spelled. It's just the short form of the weekday, SUN. So if you don't want it to be displayed in the full name of the weekday, you can use this format in the format text argument to get just the short form of the weekday. Right, so if I fill this down, you see how it appears. So now you know this is a Wednesday, this is a Tuesday. But if you want it to return the full, you just make your format to be D's, like the letter D in 4 places, and there you go. You have it, the full day of the week. So this is how the text function helps you to get the weekday of a date in Excel. If you have gotten value from this training, please give this a thumbs up, like this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload value tips, and do well to share with as many that you know that will benefit from this training. I'll see you in the next training. Bye for now.